Hello, hello, hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. I guess in this case, it'll be a new truck ceramic coating that we applied, and this truck is beautiful. It came in pretty good shape. The only work we had to do was on the roof, which is kind of the norm. Everything that they can easily wipe and clean by hand at the dealership low is okay. Some really light marring, but kind of up on the top there, what you run into is they grab a brush, so they're not going up and down ladders, and so there were horizontal scratches across the entire roof, which have since been taken care of. I did put up videos on this, but I'll do a quick show too. It's not perfect, but looking in that light, it's pretty good compared to the before. So this vehicle just had correction done in that one area. It's only a single area like that. I don't bill for it. I'm not charging you hundreds when you're already here spending a decent amount of money. I'm not going to charge you to correct one little area, but it had the full exterior done. So step ups, rims, all the badges, the glass, plastics, headlights, taillights, everything except the rubber. And as I always say, the day they got a rubber ceramic coating, we will be buying that and installing it as well. So if you are in the market, whether it's a brand new Chevy Silverado or any new vehicle, we would love to talk to you. For a vehicle this size, 5-year coating would start at $995, and I am never afraid to talk about price. Price is all over our website, and it's actually why this client booked with me. He booked himself before we ever had a conversation, and he said it was because he didn't have to jump through any hoops, like get a quote. If your system's good, you should have no problems having prices transparently posted. You will know exactly what you're going to spend before you ever show up here. So again, if you are in the market for a new car, truck, SUV, van, you name it, I would love to ceramic coat it. Send me a text anytime for a quote at 920-659-0023. My name is George. You can also go on the website, see all the prices. You can request a quote if you don't feel like reading the whole website. Whatever is easiest for you. But I look forward to hopefully talking soon about how we can help with your new vehicle. Have a great day.